office, we do both Invisalign and traditional braces. In regards to the difference between the two, regarding diet and cleaning your teeth, Invisalign removable aligners are easy to clean. Traditional braces, of course, are going to be a little more difficult to clean and restricted in what you can eat. Regarding smile, comfort, and appearance, again, Invisalign is invisible, it's comfortable. Traditional braces with the metal brackets and wires can sometimes poke the gums, hurt the tissue around the brackets. Treatment duration is about the same. Both treatments are very good, and it really depends on the person's needs. It depends on your lifestyle, and we will be more than happy to guide you into which would be the best service for you. Thank you.